In every walk with nature, one receives far more than one seeks. John Muir. As we embark on our journey into the heart of nature, we are reminded of the timeless wisdom of John Muir. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than one seeks. In the quiet rustling of leaves and the symphony of birdsong, we find solace and peace. Nature speaks to us in whispers, reminding us of the beauty and harmony beyond our busy lives. Each step we take on this sacred journey, each breath of fresh air we inhale, fills our beings with a sense of calmness and connection. We are not mere spectators in this natural world, but part of its intricate tapestry. Nature teaches us valuable lessons of resilience and adaptation. Just as the seasons change and the landscape evolves, we, too, learn to embrace transformation and growth in our own lives. So, as we wander through these forests and fields, let us remember that the true gift of nature lies not in what we seek, but in what we receive. An abundance of peace, inspiration, and wisdom that enriches our souls beyond measure.